We are pleased to show you the 2021 Outback. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, roof rack, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Come see the car for yourself.